I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I probably sound like shit right now. Well, I do sound like shit. Oh, last night I could just tell I was gonna wake up feeling sick, and everyone's sick around here, by the way. So this sucks. We train a lot of people that have kids, and so they get sick a lot from their kids going to school, and until they come to the gym, and inevitably we all get sick. So this sucks. I was really excited for today too. I still am excited. It's Friday, and we're gonna go get the wheels and tires. So I ended up ordering the wheels and tires from Lariat of Amarillo, from Ryan over there. He got me a really good deal. So they're going to get those mounted and balanced up this morning, and going to get those put on the F-150. Now, there will be some trimming that has to be done because I only have the 2.5-inch spacer up front. So have to trim a little bit of the crash bars. Yeah, I know I'm messing with the structural integrity, but the ends are something that they added on to the new F-150, so it's whatever. I'm not the only one that's done it, so I'm fine with it. I'll be okay. Anyways, we'll show you guys the wheels and tires here in a little bit, and we'll get those mounted up, and we'll do a little walk around, and you guys have to give me your thoughts, what you guys think about them, but I'm really excited to get them on. Wheels and tires always change the whole look of a vehicle. Like the little lift, I mean, even if you do a big, tall lift, you know, even if you did like a 6-inch lift, it makes the truck, you know, it makes it look different, but it's the wheels and tires that really change the look of a vehicle. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited to get these on. Jeez, you got 4 people just honking at each other. Come on, guys, we're a gang. Jeez, wow. Anyways, so I'm really excited to get those on, though. I'm really excited to see what the truck's gonna look like, and then you know, once I get the wheels and tires on, then I can kind of see what the truck needs next, in order, because I have this picture in my head of what I want the truck to look like. So we're getting there. I'm gonna make a video on why I bought just a regular F-150 Lariat Fx4 versus buying an actual Raptor, and it came up last night because when I met up with someone that makes some stickers, and he has a Raptor. He's like, "Oh, you want to park your F-150 next to my Raptor to make you realize you should have bought a Raptor?" And I was like, honestly, I want to make a video about why I didn't buy a Raptor. And he didn't even have a new one. He had a Gen 1, which the Gen 1s are sick, don't get me wrong. I really like those. And I really like the Gen 2s also. So I'm going to be making a video next week on why I chose just a F-150 versus getting an actual Raptor. I'll make a video on that. But in the meantime, let's get these wheels and tires on.
Because that way we're going to... David!
Good morning. Kennedy is back, everybody. Someone commented and asked where you were.
Yeah, and
She's back. She's back. We won't show you too much more because she thinks she looks ugly today, I guess. I don't think she does.
This is why I wanted to shower.
You know how females are. You haven't showered this whole month, Kennedy? That's disgusting, guys. I might have to set up a Patreon account to afford shower products because Kennedy cannot shower, I guess. Anyways, so I just dropped off the truck. I saw the wheels and the tires. They look fucking sick. They look pretty sweet. So next stop, Chick-fil-A. Yes. The only other thing that's really good in the morning besides Chick-fil-A, good old Bang, huh, Kennedy? Hey guys, so we already picked up the truck. I'm about to show you the walk around of it, or do the walk around of it. What do you think? Okay, she thinks it's that cool. Damn.
No, baby, it's really cool.
Thanks. So obviously they had to trim the front support crash beams just on the edge. Usually people hack them like all the way off. They only trimmed what they needed. So I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. I'm really happy with it, but here's the back. The back fits perfect. Like I said, there's no lift on the back. The back is just stock. There's the stock tires. So they took the TPMS sensors out of these, put them in the new ones. So if I sell these, I'll have to either get the person TPMS sensors or just sell them for a little bit cheaper. But these tires are brand new, so. But yeah, there's the back. Like I said, no lift. Then the front's got the 2.5-inch leveling spacer. So here's what I'm talking about. So I don't know if you can see it. It might be too dark, but right here, they had to cut this bar. It usually comes out to about here. So they had to take a couple inches off. And there's one behind. They just had to cut a little piece out of. Like I said, usually people hack the whole bar off, which, you know, it's up to you. It's your truck if you want to do it. But Lariat Fx4 Amarillo, they just want to take off only what they needed because they wanted me to still have that bar there for protection. So, and it's my truck, so I told them, you know, make it where it has to fit, or cut it so it will fit, and just look at it. Man, that looks, whoo! I'm freaking happy. This thing looks awesome. I'm really happy with it. I think it's a perfect daily driver setup. It's got like that Baja look to it, and to me, it looks perfect. So, make sure you hit up Lariat Fx4 Amarillo, Revolution Off-Road, if you need anything for your truck or Jeep. And we're gonna go get some cupcakes from Ruffled. That's the only reason why she came, was to get cupcakes.
Yeah, came all the way to Amarillo.
You gotta barter with these ladies, guys. Gotta barter with them. I lift my truck and get tires, she gets cupcakes. So yep. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39, and we'll see you guys on the next one.